Namaste, I am Advocate Surya Kundeti. Welcome to Subhash Chandra Academy for Legal Education. Today's subject is Income Tax Act 2025. This is all new Income Tax Act which is enacted by the Parliament of India. So now let's delve into this act. What are the key points? Enactment and assent. The act was introduced in Parliament as the Income Tax Bill 2025 and this bill has a number 104F of 2025. So both houses of Parliament passed it and it is received the President's assent on 21st of August 2025, making it a valid law. What is the purpose of the act? The long title and preamble say, an act to consolidate and amend the law relating to income law or income tax. This means it is meant to bring together, consolidate the existing provisions and also make amendments to modernize or reform them. In effect, this is a replacement or restructuring of the earlier Income Tax Act 1961, which was in force for more than 60 years. So what are the ingredients or what are the sections involved in this act? Short title, which is name of the act. Section 1, subsection 1. The act will be officially known as the Income Tax Act 2025. Extent or the geographical application of this act, which is section 1, subsection 2. The law extends to the whole of India. This includes all states and union territories unless Parliament specifically exempts any part which is not mentioned here. Commencement, when it comes into force. Section 1, subsection 3, the act will come into effect from 1st April 2026. This means the new tax regime will apply for the financial year starting on 1st April 2026 and the assessment year is 2027-28 onwards. Until then, in short, the Income Tax Act 2025 is a new consolidated tax law replacing the 1961 Act. It has been passed and assented to but will only start operating from 1st of April 2026. From that date, all taxpayers in India will be governed by this new act for income tax purposes. This is the most prospective law ever made in the Indian Parliament. This is an introductory class for the newly enacted Income Tax Act 2025, which is going to replace the old Income Tax Act 1961, and this new Income Tax Act 2025 will come into effect from 1st April 2026. And in my next class, I am going to give you the explanation for all the newly incorporated words in this act. See you all in the next class. Thank you. Namaste.